Influence here, thanks for joining me today. We're gonna build the Game Boy Lego. Had a Game Boy when I was young, so this brings back memories.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
It's not a whole bunch of pieces, 421, so it should be a quick build, I'm hoping. Well, not really hoping. I like to savor the build, but comes with 2 tapes, Super Mario Land and Zelda. Had both of those games. So I was 14, maybe 13, depending on when it came out in 1989. I think I was 13. Subscribe. finally finished. Probably took like an hour and a half. It's great. They have a lot of functionality. They put like a rubber band thing. Well, they put a rubber band thing in the buttons so you get some play. You can feel, you know, you can feel how the buttons used to feel. And they put like a little rubber thing in the middle of the D-pad, and it's kind of floating, but it's held on by like the side pieces, so you can push it functional. It has these buttons push in. They're like tires. They're just stuck in there, but it does have the select. You have the speaker here. You have the game. If you can see, I don't know how much that's coming through, but there's a little mechanism back here that you can take this off. It's like the battery cover. You pull this out, and then you can get, yeah, you can take these out and put, say, other ones in. Then you just put this, pop this back on, and then you have a new, different game in there. Again, I don't know how well it's coming off on camera. You get the 2 games. They're really nice. You can have one in the Game Boy, and then there's a little stand for the second game. I think that's great. And actually, you have the pictures are of the Nintendo, just the Nintendo, and then you have the Mario. I showed it in the beginning. What else? You have the contrast button over here. I remember that. It feels like it does, or did. You got the power button up here, and it makes the little click when you turn it off and on. Oh man, so nostalgic. Then you put the tapes in, just like, or the games, and they have like grippy things in there, so it clicks, satisfying, and it looks just like the Game Boy. You have I already said the contrast. Oh wait, there's a piece missing. It looks like you have the headphone jack. They have a little stand for the actual Game Boy. So you just put it where the headphone jack is supposed to go, and it does its job. It's just a little, you see it, and it makes it so it's kind of tilted up so you can see what's going on. Yeah, not much else to say about this. This set was really fun to do. It was quick, easy. It's probably the easiest set I've done. It really nice, fun set, really nostalgic looking. They captured all of stuff falling off, but that's probably my fault. I think one negative is, and maybe it's me, maybe I don't know, maybe the glass had something on it. It might have film on there that I should have took off. I might try to see, because it was in a bag with other parts. It wasn't protected. It was like in a baggie with a couple other parts, so it's probably rattling around in there. But that's like the only complaint I had. Directions were easy to follow, of course, you know, Lego directions, especially coming off of, I had this other set that I just got done doing that was kind of really difficult. Also, this cover seems to be coming off a lot. I don't know why. It is only held on by this little cover here, so that could be the reason. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll get over with y'all in the next one.
You know, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want it.